What's going on, guys? So I'm here at the room. I'm going to go ahead and do a room tour. I'm here on the Voyager of the Seas with Royal Caribbean. So I'm going to show you guys my room and do a room tour of the balcony rooms on Voyager of the Seas. Alright guys, so I'm at room 6588. Let's go ahead and enter. Okay, so you guys can see I have a balcony room. Now, this is my first time for us cruising that I have a balcony room. So I was really excited about cruising with the Voyager of the Seas so that I can experience actually having a balcony room. So as you can see, you have your queen size bed here. You have a small sofa here. Kind of sit back, cool out, watch a little TV. As you can see, they got your TV set up. I like how they got this TV set up. You can sit here on the couch and you can watch a movie if that's what you want to do, or you can kind of move the TV like so towards the bed, and you can watch TV from the bed as well. So right here they also have a ice box for you. Right here they have plenty of room for you to put items, merchandise, whatever you got for yourself. They got the chair. They got the vanity area right here. You ladies can put your makeup on, what have you. I have my ducks. Been passing out my ducks. You guys get one of my ducks, please support the channel, MyShiplife. So we're going to go over here. We're going to check out the closet area. As you can see, they have plenty of room here for your closet. I do like the fact they got this little top area here. If you guys want to have the Kangos or the hats or shoes, you can put them up there. Plenty of room. As you can see, they have plenty of life vests for you in case of an emergency. Over here on top of the TV is where they have your safe. When I was on Freedom of the Seas, the safe was in the closet. We got extra room here. I mean, they have plenty of room for you to store your clothing, what have you, for the 4 days, or you're on the cruise for a week. This right here is the bathroom area. Standard size bathroom, nice and clean. They got plenty of extra room here for you to put your items and what have you. I love the shower curtain here. You have your little area here where you take your shower. I like the fact it's not one of those little stringy little curtains like on some cruise lines. You actually can have some steam while taking a hot shower. So now we're going to go out here to the patio. They got the curtains here. You can pull the curtains forward so, like so, to cover the lighting area. So we're going to go ahead and open the balcony. As you can see, it's getting dark. Probably about 6 p.m. Just leaving the Galveston area. And this is the patio here. Nice size patio. You got 2 chairs out here and a table. Play cards, dominoes, what have you. Eat out here on the patio. And this right here is the Voyager of the Seas. room, the balcony room.